Matapos malasap ni Brian the Hawaiian Punch Viloria ang pinakaunang talo sa kanyang buong karera via unanimous decision at nakuha pa sa kanya ang titulong WBC World Light Flyweight title kontra sa Meksikanong si Omar Nino, ay agad nagkaroon ng rematch ang dalawa sa kaparehong taon. 3 buwan lang ang lumipas ay naikasa agad ang rematch ng dalawa na ginanap pa din sa Las Vegas sa Amerika. At sa mismong bakbakan nila ay 2 beses na bilangan ang Meksikanong si Omar Nino. Pero imbis matamis na panalo, ang makukuha ni Viloria ay lubos na ikinagulat ng karamihan na draw o tabla ang naging resulta.
The scoring comes out to a majority draw. The champion retains his title.
Napanatili ni Omar Nino ang titulo pero matapos ang laban ay nagkaroon ng drug test at nalaman na positibo itong Meksikano sa ipinagbabawal na gamot ng boxing. Nakita ito sa post-fight urinalysis kaya naman tinanggal sa kanya ang titulo at suspendido ito ng 9 na buwan. 6 na taon ang lumipas ay sa wakas na ikasa ang pangatlong pagtutuos ng dalawa. May 2012 ang laban at ginanap ito sa Pilipinas sa Inari Sports Arena. Defending champion na si Viloria dito. Hawak niya ang titulong WBO World Flyweight title. Galing sa 4 na sunod-sunod na panalo si Viloria at 2 pa dito via knockout. Kaya naman mataas ang kumpiyansa na sa kanilang pangatlong pagtutuos ay siguradong di na niya papaabutin pa sa kamay ng mga hurado ang hatol ng laban nila. Lalo na't sa baluarte pa niya mismo ang laban sa bayang Pilipinas. Tila ibubuhos ang lahat ng galit na kinikimkim ng Pinoy. Naghintay ng 6 na taon para impresibong matalo ang boksingерong nagpalasap sa kanya ng unang talo. At sa mismong gabi nga ng laban ay tila isang nakawalang leon si kabayan. Mas agresibo at makikitang gigil lapain ang dayong Meksikano. Pero di naman nagpapahuli itong si Omar Nino. Matapang din at talagang sumasabay din sa suntukan.
The sport of boxing as he was counted out.
It's early Omar for that right moment, but that time he connects with a stiff. But the opening round, for quite some time, he reigned as the light.
Arguably, at the prime of his career, he's older. We're talking about Romero.
Two fighters who are at the top of their.
So I think the thing that we will be able to string up, sabi mo nga, and as you said,
Two combatants is that Brian is more most likely because he knows
been able to of Brian. Will that motivate
Mike because the first minute, the next minute it's Romero's turn.
That's right.
Because they've fought
He
each other.
maintains this, maybe give or take 5 pounds. Give or take.
And now a 3-punch combination connected by Brian Viloria and a left hook to the face.
Unleashed by Brian, professional days, as the power punch, as the punch.
The left hook to the face. And you see it in this 3rd round. That punch connected by Omar Nino Romero.
Matapos ang round 3 ay halatag na alog na ang utak nitong Meksikano dahil pagkatapos kasi ng round ay makikitang di alam ni Omar Nino kung saan nakapwesto ang kanyang kampo. Ibang corner na ang napuntahan nito.
But clearly, these two exactly also what Romero kept on doing. But he was met with body shots all the time. To become so much better.
Kingdom. The 12-pound class is his Balowick. And now, Viloria staggers Romero. Punishing combinations. He wants to go for the kill. He says this fight is personal. And low blow there by Romero.
Left hook that rocked Romero started all this, and the onslaught has.
For this particular fight. Another right there from Brian Viloria. A combination there by Viloria.
Round 5 duguan na itong kalaban. Ilang beses tinamaan ng mga solido. Pero nakatayo pa din ang Meksikano at sumasabay pa din sa bakbakan.
The giant killer. And look at Viloria taking his time. He wants to make sure about his attacks right now. 5 years ago, probably this fight. But Viloria's taking his time. And Viloria. Uppercut by Romero.
But he did recover, standing up, no, without a mandatory 8 count. So he is really a very, very tough fighter.
In gold and green trunks. And Romero, one connected. Romero with the left jab is also effective. But he's the challenger, but he never lost to Viloria.
It's a seesaw battle here in the 6th round.
Knows that he cannot.
That's where maturity really comes in.
As we take a look at the slow-mo replay, that was a strong left to the body by Brian Viloria. And a left was the action here in this division.
Very famous and patented pacing round for both fighters.
Round. Shots of Omar Nilio. This is a 12-round champ.
That Brian really wanted to beat again. But although deep in his heart he wanted to come along, but this guy is the net and beat. At this point,
This connecting. Romero connects to the body also.
through left hands, and that connected from Romero with the right hand and another. Brian is also adjusting.
Been connecting some shots. Slow-mo replay. Strong right by Viloria, but a lot of shots were connected by Omar Nilio Romero.
Pero dito sa round 9, isang halimaw na kanang kamao na sinundan agad ng mga kombinasyon ang pinakain ni Viloria sa dayong Meksikano na talagang nagpaalog at nagpahilo dito.
Longevity, no?
Oh!
He really prepared. Oh, there's that.
A left uppercut
Okay, there you go.
by
He's
Brian
hurt again.
Viloria. And the corner.
Agad namang itinigil ng referee ang laban para maiwasan ang mas malala pang kapahamakan. Isang malupit na risbak ang ginawa ni Brian Viloria. 6 na taon na naghintay para tapusin ang boksingerong unang tumalo at nagmansa sa malinis niyang kartada. Tinapos niya ang Meksikano via 9th round TKO.
Brian Viloria gets to avenge his defeat.
Protect the fighter.
Well,
so that was the decision that the corner.
For the entire fight, it's been getting hit a lot.
That's right.
Talking about Omar Nilio Romero. And we're solid blows at that.
Hi guys, this is Mark Magnifico Magsayo. You are watching Channel Manoy.